Hey loves, it is Shelby and today I'm here with a very special announcement you do not want to miss. If this is your first time here, I just wanted to say welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining our video today. And if you're a returning subscriber, as always, you know I love you. Thank you so much for coming back. My name is Shelby. I am the blogger behind Shelby.com. I like to share videos on faith. I like to share my lessons that I'm learning from the Bible, and I also like to share Bible study tips. Today, I'm actually here to announce a new series that I'm going to be starting, and I'm going to be doing this in partnership with Cassandra, and she is an author of the book, I believe it's called, I'm gonna butcher it. I've talked about her book before on the channel. I want to say it's called 6 Years and a Quarter Way Through, and she also is a woman of faith who has a blog called My Story His Way, and we are we are collaborating on a video series that we're calling Blemished but blah. We are collaborating on a video series that we're calling Blemished but Beautiful. We are sharing a Bible study series on women of the Bible, and basically we are going to be working together to share weekly videos. I just cannot get words out today. To share weekly videos, and each week we'll share different stories of women in the Bible. So you guys will be reading with us. We'll be talking about the things that we learned, kind of talking about some of the historical context of the different stories that we talk about, and then we'll always try to talk about how it also applies today. So I am so excited for this series. I can't wait to share this series with you all, to give you an idea of some of the women we're going to be talking about. I'm going to be talking about Rachel. I'll also be talking about Leah. I'll be talking about Sephora as well. Cassandra is going to be sharing Hannah as well as Ruth. And then at some point, we've drawn out a good amount of women. She'll also be talking about Abigail and Deborah, and at some point I will also be talking about Esther, as well as the woman who bled. So she doesn't have a name, so I don't know what else to call her besides that. So there are several women, and I don't even think we're touching all of the women of the Bible. If this series goes really well, we have already talked about how we would love to continue to do it. So it's definitely going to be up to you guys if this is something that does perform well and you guys seem to enjoy watching and really engage. Then we definitely would like to continue to share, but we definitely are excited about the opportunity to talk about Bible study lessons and talk about Bible stories on women, and to share just kind of things we can learn from those women today in our lives. And I'm just looking forward to sharing this series. I pray that it's a blessing and that it helps you all. And I can't wait for you guys to meet Cassandra.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, My Story His Way, where we're all about helping you on your personal journey to a closer walk with Christ. My name is Cassandra. I'm so happy that you guys are here today because I have some exciting news to share. I'm going to be partnering with Shelby of Morning Coffee with Shelby to bring to you a Bible study series entitled Blemished to Beautiful, Notable Women in the Bible. We wanted to bring this series to you because there are so many women in the Bible who come up in significant ways. Their faith mattered. And you know what? So does yours. Your faith matters for such a time as these. So we're going to be taking a look at their lives and figuring out what we can glean from them and how we could apply it to our very own lives. Our very first video will be uploaded on October 15th, and you'll be able to find it here on My Story His Way. You'll also be able to catch it on Shelby's channel. I'll be posting the link to her channel in the description box below. Our very first notable woman on deck is Ruth. She will be followed by Abigail, Hannah, Esther, the woman who bled for 12 years, Leah, Rachel, as well as Deborah. We really hope you guys can come and study with us. Until then, please subscribe and hit the notification bell below so you know when we upload, and we hope to see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.